Welcome to the video tutorials from Schmalenberger. In this video, you will be shown how to replace a mechanical seal of a centrifugal pump of type NB. Safety notice. Before you start working on the pump, ensure that the pump is de-energized. The pump must be flushed, depressurized, and free of media residues, and please wear your personal protective equipment.
Before you begin disassembly, make sure all necessary tools are within reach. Find a clean workspace to avoid injuries. You will need, among other things, open-end wrenches, assembly levers, and the contents of our service.
First, the pump is dismantled. To do this, loosen the nuts that attach the support foot and the volute housing to the pressure cover. After the nuts have been removed, the support foot can be taken off, and the pump housing can be carefully lifted from the pressure cover to reveal the impeller underneath. Loosen the central fastening of the impeller, then use two mounting levers to evenly pull it off the shaft. Now the old mechanical seal can be carefully removed from the shaft. Use the mounting levers again to carefully pry the component off the shaft. Once the mechanical seal has been removed, start loosening the nuts on the pressure cover. When all nuts are removed, the pressure cover can be lifted off the shaft carefully. To mount the new mechanical seal onto the shaft, first wet the counter ring with soapy water. Then evenly press the counter ring into the pressure cover. After that, the pressure cover can be reattached to the motor flange. Important: when replacing a mechanical seal, do not use oil or greasy substances. Put the insertion sleeve onto the shaft, check the counter ring for cleanliness, then wet the sliding ring with soapy water, place it on the insertion sleeve, and gently press it onto the counter ring using the assembly tool. Now place the spring onto the insertion sleeve and press it onto the sliding ring using the assembly aid. Attention! The anti-rotation lock of the spring must be mounted into the groove of the sliding ring. Now remove the insertion sleeve and press the disc onto the shaft shoulder using the assembly aid until it stops. Next, insert the key and reassemble the impeller back onto the shaft. First, the washer is correctly positioned on the shaft. Make sure that it lies flat and that there are no dirt or damages present. Then, screw on the impeller nut and tighten it with the appropriate torque. Next, the area for the paper gasket is greased with the brush and the gasket is positioned on the prepared area. The top side of the seal is also coated with grease. Then the volute housing is placed back on the pressure cover. The L foot must be mounted on the longer studs. Initially, just place the nut so that the housing can be adjusted later. Finally, the centrifugal pump is placed back on its L foot, and a spirit level is used to secure the volute casing in the correct position.